Okay, now I want to show you what to do if you want to make a copy of a project. So here, I'm going to click this, and here's the project. This is actually quite a long one, but let's just say I want to do a different version of this, but I don't want to get rid of everything I already have. So I'm going to right click, and I'm going to say, even though you'd think these were the right ones, it's actually snapshot project, okay? So I click snapshot project, it makes a copy, and you can see it gives a name. And I'm just going to click on it, and then I'm going to give it a better name so I know exactly what that is. So I'm going to call this season upload revision try 2. Get rid of all that other information there. And this way I can really make sure that I'm not in the wrong one. So I double click it again, and now I'm in this one. And if I make any changes to this, so let's just delete this whole section. And let's say I've done some things and I go, you know what? This version isn't the way I wanted it to. When I go back to here, you can see that this version is still exactly the same, and this is my new one here. And that's how you make a snapshot of a project or duplicate the project to make a second copy of it.